The Stock Horse Showmanship class is judged on the exhibitor's ability to fit and train a horse for a show or sale. Emphasis will be on the proper fitting of the horse and the ability to present a well-groomed, well-trained horse to the judge through a series of practical and basic maneuvers from the ground. Exhibitors should use a clean halter that is adjusted to fit the horse. The halter should fit well on the horse's head to maximize response to subtle halter cues. Silver on halters is not allowed, other than what is found on normal buckles and hardware. Lead straps are often attached to a chain and snap. The lead strap may be snapped below the jaw and the center ring of the halter, or as pictured here, the chain can be run under the horse's chin and snapped to the upper or lower halter ring on the right side of the horse's head. In this photo, the horse is wearing a plain leather halter, which is the preferred halter in Stock Horse Showmanship. Also acceptable are flat nylon halters, or well-adjusted, clean, properly tied rope halters can also be acceptable. In Stock Horse Showmanship, horse fitting and grooming will count for a minimum of 30% of the total score. The horse should be clean and well-groomed. Emphasis should be on proper fitting and grooming acceptable for high-end stock horse sales. Hair coat should be clean, shiny, and should show evidence of frequent grooming. Underweight or thin horses will be penalized. It is acceptable to trim bridle paths, ears, nose, and fetlocks to make the horse more attractive, just as one might do for a horse sale. Horses' feet should be clean, neat, and well trimmed or shod. Hoof black should not be used. A well-groomed horse that is clean, properly trimmed, and conditioned does have a justified advantage in showmanship at halter. In this class, the horse will be shown at the walk, trot, turn, stop, and back, and set up for inspection, as shown in the posted pattern or by the judge's instructions. Additional tests, such as walking or trotting over logs, leading horses through a gate, moving around markers such as cones or other suitable obstacles, ground tying, or any other maneuver which the judge feels is a fair test for determining the level of training and ground handling ability of a stock horse may be included in the pattern. The following are examples of maneuvers found in a Stock Horse Showmanship pattern. Although not perfect, these are good representations of what will be expected of exhibitors in this class. The horse is always led from the left side. The exhibitor's right hand is held closest to the halter. The excess amount of lead is folded or loosely coiled in the left hand and held about waist high. Never wrap the excess lead around the hand or make a coil so small that a sudden jerk could cause the lead to wrap around the hand. At both the walk and the trot, the exhibitor's shoulder should be about even with the horse's throat latch. In this position, the horse is beside the exhibitor, allowing the judge a clear view of the horse's travel. Movement at both gaits should be brisk and sharp, as opposed to slow and dull. When executing a pivot, the horse should move easily and without hesitation. The front left leg should cross in front of the right, and the right hind leg should remain stationary. Although speed is more credit earning due to degree of difficulty, correctness should not be sacrificed for speed. When setting up for inspection, the front and hind legs should be evenly spaced and squarely underneath the horse. As the judge moves around the horse in inspection, the exhibitor should use the quarter system and remain so that the judge can see the animal, but the exhibitor can also see the judge. When executing the gait, the exhibitor should walk up to the gate, put the lead line in the right hand, walk through the gate, and back the horse into the position so that the exhibitor can easily reach to latch the gate. The exhibitor should never stand directly in front of the horse, nor move to the opposite side of the horse. The same execution applies to when working a rope gait or when working a solid gait. Ground tying is also an acceptable maneuver in Stock Horse Showmanship. The expectation is that the horse remains still while the lead rope is on the ground. The exhibitor may be asked to step out of the area or to walk around the horse in a circle, depending on the pattern posted by the judge. Again, these are examples of good maneuvers in stock horse showmanship. However, maneuvers are not limited to those displayed in this video. Please review the rules in the 2016 4-H Horse Show rules before exhibiting in any class.